At the moment, and it's almost 9 a.m. Finally the sun showing up. I'm waiting for my mic so I can officially start the vlog. Hey, so finally my mic's here. So we're currently in SPIR South Pacific Island Resort. Ta-da! In Hihappymarie. We arrived here yesterday, but since it was raining really hard and we got really tired from the trip, we decided to sleep the whole afternoon yesterday. So before we start our tour, let me just give you tips and notes while I recap what we went through yesterday. So to get here from Metro Manila, go to Raymond Bus Station in Ligarda, hop on the bus for Real, Quezon or Infanta. Yesterday we rode the MRR transport bus and we were dropped off at the Umus Port. But if you take the Raymond bus, then tell the bus conductor to drop you off at the junction port to Umus Port. In Umus Port, head to the ticketing office and pay the terminal fee and boat going to Malig.
Boss, I'm sorry. Sorry.
The best time to travel is during the summer months when the waves are generally calm. The high chance of getting stranded in the island during habagat or amihan season, and it is ideal to spend at least 2 nights here in the island. I chose SPIR because I read a vlog that mentions the electricity runs from 1 p.m. to 5 a.m. So additionally, you need to charge your power banks at night. I choose SPIR because they have generator, but they did not turn it on today, unfortunately. So another reason why I choose SPIR is because they have free drinking water. Yes. So as for the food, I highly recommend to buy your own supplies and bring your own portable cook set to prepare your meals so that you can save money. You can also go to Sitio Apad early in the morning to buy fresh catch seafood such as crabs, lobsters, and fish. But to avoid the hassle, you can ask a resort staff to cook a meal for you, and it usually costs 120 pesos per meal with 1 viand and only rice. The best way to explore the island is to hire the habal-habal for a day tour, and it is ideal to start the tour at 6 a.m. while the sun's heat is bearable. But unfortunately, it was raining earlier. We're gonna start the tour in a while, and I'll give you more tips as we go along the trip. Sure. Kuya Dan. Kuya Dan, say hi.
Hi.
Saan na tayo next, Kuya?
Sa Golden Sand.
Golden Sand Beach. So our second stop is Kasuguran Golden Sand. It reminds me of Dakpan Beach with the trees. I'm not sure if it's good. Tignan mo yung sand. This is why it's called Golden Sand in Kasuguran, because it is located in the municipality of Kasuguran. Pa din sa Golden Sand. This is the spot that I'm referring to. It looks like a beach. Little Batanes! This is called Batanes. I'm not sure why it's called Batanes. Yes, it looks like Batanes. Though, I haven't been to Batanes. But we're going to Batanes 5 months from now with my wife. Let's go to Batanes. The view, we're going to pass Maglikay Beach and Romblon. Amazing! We're in Hihappymarie, but they have an Akban Beach in Palawan earlier. And now we're here in Little Batanes. And later we're gonna go to Boracay. And hopefully, we're gonna have our lunch after this. Yay! Our fourth stop is Nanay Island. Perfect timing na to. Ayun. It's amazing! Sobrang ganda dito sa Mahuhumaling. Mahuhumaling.
Ginagawa mo!
Nanay Island.
Jai, Islet.
Okay.
I-edit ra din.
Nanay Island. Oh my goodness talaga. I just want to emphasize how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh! Forever it looks so ganda. Perfect. I'm speechless right now. Oh, amazing, amazing, amazing.
Wow!
You know, I always say amazing whenever something amazing. And then I'll say amazing. Pero perfect. Sobrang ganda ng view. So you can actually try the island hopping and there's no specific fee for the island hopping. But since we're very hungry, we decided to skip that part so that we can go to Little Boracay now. And then finally have our lunch since it's almost 1 p.m. So see you in Little Boracay. I'm so excited to swim. I'm so tempted to swim here, but I'm very happy to see you in Little Boracay. Hey, lunchtime! Finally. It's swimming time. So we're done eating and then nakapag-siesta din kami for about 30 minutes. So finally, swimming time! Bye! So we're finally in our last stop and wait, because we're still looking for the We Love Humalig sign. So usually this is not included in the tour, but since Kuya Dan is very kind, he decided to let us go here for free. Hey guys, the rainbow! Here, rain. I'm not sure if... Yes! Oh my gosh, look at the rainbow. Perfect! Okay, so it's almost 5 p.m. After this, we're gonna go back to SPIR, then probably have night swimming. Anyway, the tour usually takes 4 to 6 hours, but since Kuya Dan is very kind, he let us have the tour for whole day without asking additional charge. If you want to have the whole day tour, then you need to pay 1,000 pesos per person. But we will only need to pay 600 pesos per person because Kuya Dan is very kind. Ay, sana! We Love Humalig! We're still looking for the We Love Humalig sign. See you later! So unfortunately, we didn't find the I Love Humalig or the We Love Humalig sign. May no?
It's so disappointing.
It's so disappointing, but it's okay. We'll just enjoy the view. Look at the view. Oh no? Amazing. So we're gonna end our day 2 later sa SPIR because we're gonna have our night swimming. And then see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be heading back to Real Quezon. But hopefully we can watch the sunrise. So weather, please cooperate. Bye-bye! It's time to enjoy the island! Unfortunately, we're stranded. We're stranded.
Very sad.
So we're supposed to leave the island earlier today, but then the owner told us that all boats are not allowed to sail because of the weather, since it was raining really hard earlier. That's why I told you from the start of the vlog that there's a chance of being stranded in the island, so bring enough cash with you. Ngayon, kailangan na namin magtipid kasi na lang pera namin. Hindi namin sure kung hanggang kailan kami dito. Yeah. Although there is available ATM sa island,
but still not sure if it is really available.
If they have enough cash. So we decided to attend the mass earlier, and their only mass is at 8:30 AM on Sundays. And we need to inform our loved ones and boss na stranded kami. So both Globe and Smart have signals, but it is only limited for calls and texts. Internet signal is quite weak. Also, another tip is that you should purchase your ticket in advance and going back to Real Quezon to secure a seat. That's it. You'll just maximize the day by swimming. Although it is raining, you just need to maximize the day. Yay! Mukha ng mga na-stranded pero masaya pa din. Hindi namin gets. See you later or tomorrow. Hopefully hindi na kayo ma-stranded bukas. Hopefully you can go home tomorrow. Let's pray. Let's pray.
Wala na kayong trabaho.
Bye. It's time to swim. Oh, nice! You're here, the sandbar in SPIR. Amazing! I guess plan to the Lord from us by exploring new island. Exactly, it's a sandbar next year. Lunchtime.
Yes, amaze us.
Hey monkey.
Go.
Hey what? Introduce yourself. Hi, dili siya.
He's shy.
Bye
My
bye.
name is, and you are. Yes, and you are.
Hey, you. Hala, musukol.
Dili, sakit daw yung tiyan.
Sakit mo. Gutom ka?
Gutom siya. Sapakan, adi ay. Oh, we don't have any bananas.
Nahurot na namo.
You like biscuits? We have cookies.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
The next day.
Another day of being stranded in the island. And we're having our lunch now. We're only eating canned goods so that we can save money. So earlier, Emma and one of our neighbors Went to the city center to buy groceries and withdraw money. So it's not actually an ATM.
It's more of a
POS machine.
POS machine.
Like the one we use with the debit or credit cards. And if you're not a video card holder, then video will charge you 30 pesos, and then the owner of the POS machine will also charge you 40 pesos. So while Mai was doing her groceries, she met one of our co-passengers on our way to Humalig, and she mentioned that their accommodation is free because they are stranded. So later we're gonna ask the owner if our accommodation is also free. Or maybe we could get a discount there. Also, if you want to buy souvenirs, you can buy it here. A local came here yesterday to sell souvenirs like t-shirts, ref magnets, and keychains. Mai, so after this, we're gonna go to Salibungot Beach. Yes.
Because it will not be complete without
Going to Salibungot Beach. The certification that we're stranded.
Yay, I graduated.
Congratulations, you're stranded! We passed by the We Love Humalig sign before heading to Salibungot Beach. Unfortunately, nawala na yung letter G. Nasira sa hangin. Welcome back! Welcome back! Welcome back, because the beach that they're referring to is the last stop that we went to the other day during our tour.
Where our tour guide thought that
We Love Humalig sign can be found here. But unfortunately,
it was transferred actually.
separate siya.
Amazing.
Pero nasira sa hanging habagat, unfortunately.
It's okay. We can still enjoy it.
We just enjoy the view and wait for the sunset. Hopefully, there will be sunset later.
Like 2 hours here.
2 hours.
2 more hours.
So what makes this beach special is their trees. Sabi nila, pag hindi ka daw nakapunta dito, hindi ka nakapunta sa Humalig. Kasi unique yung trees nila. So, nagbago na pala yung sign. Hindi na We Heart Humalig, kundi Happy Hearts Humalig! Walang magawa. Unfortunately, there's no sunset. We're just gonna go back to SPIR and then end the day. Hopefully, we can go home tomorrow.
Of a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that
The next day.
Hey! 5th day in Humalig and the sun is showing up! Hey! Oo, wala na pa yung moon! Clear ba? Taday! Yay! So we're finally going home! Yes! And we have also settled with Nanay Thelma regarding our accommodation for the past 2 nights that we're stranded. And she told us to give how much we want. Yeah, no? Whatever we want.
Very generous.
Very generous. It's almost 7 a.m. and after this we're gonna ride habal-habal to the port and then ride the boat from the port to Real Quezon at 8 a.m. and then the bus from Real Quezon to Ligarda bus station. And then home sweet home! Finally! Yes, so bye-bye Humalig! Bye-bye! Thanks for the memories!
Tomorrow work.
See you tomorrow work!